Solitaire Cash and Cash Giraffe are both real reward apps, but they work in completely different ways. Solitaire Cash offers skill-based solitaire tournaments with cash prizes, while Cash Giraffe pays users for playing eligible mobile games and completing surveys. Solitaire Cash tonadayan. Anindanasia. Anilsanis anderawasend. Adanakere. Hanal Solitaire. Cash Tony. By the end, you'll know how each app actually pays, where the biggest catches are, and what to check before spending your time or money. Start with Solitaire Cash. Solitaire Cash is operated by Papaya Gaming, and says its cash tournaments are based on player skill, rather than chance. The standard game has 5-minute rounds, and players can earn bonus points for finishing early. Solitaire Cash Toani. You don't have to deposit money just to play. Solitaire Cash offers free gems tournaments, and a free roll tournament, although the availability of cash features depends on your location and eligibility. Solitaire Cash 2. If you enter cash tournaments, there is an important detail to understand. Withdrawals have a minimum amount and a processing fee. Solitaire Cash says withdrawals can take up to 14 days to process, although players usually receive funds within 2 business days. Solitaire Cash 3. Solitaire Cash may also require identity verification before you can withdraw cash winnings. Solitaire Cash 4. Now look at Cash Giraffe. Cash Giraffe describes itself as a free play-to-earn app. You earn gems from playing featured mobile games and completing surveys, then redeem those gems for PayPal cash or gift cards. Its current website advertises a $0.20 minimum cash out. Cash Giraffe 5. Cash Giraffe also says there are no deposits, subscriptions, or hidden fees for using its basic reward system. Cash Giraffe 6. There is one verification detail worth knowing. Cash Giraffe's terms say users must provide a selfie before payouts, while its current website says face verification may be used on Android to prevent fraud. Cash Giraffe 7. So, are they legit? Yes. Both platforms have legitimate reward systems, but neither should be treated like guaranteed income. Solitaire Cash is better suited to someone who wants competitive solitaire and is comfortable with tournament rules, including possible entry fees. Cash Giraffe is better suited to someone who wants a free game rewards model without paying tournament entry fees. The practical next step is simple. Check your location, open the current withdrawal terms, and understand the verification requirements before you start. If you want competitive cash tournaments, test Solitaire Cash using its free options first. If you want straightforward game-based rewards, start with Cash Giraffe and check the current games and redemption options. The short verdict is, both are legitimate reward platforms, but Cash Giraffe is simpler for earning without depositing, while Solitaire Cash is designed around competitive skill-based tournaments. Whoa! Like the video and subscribe for more reward app comparisons.